160.
Is that good or bad?
Terrible.
What was it before?
139.
That's a 30% increase on, isn't it?
It's just profiteering. The litre there. And it will run.
Women are only animals anyway.
79.9, so it's 180. Basically 180.
Pulp and something changed. It's John. Snelly and everybody who pulls the strings on your show.
193, 192.9. It's not worth talking about.
Ridiculous.
The tenth of a penny.